So this is Lake of Dreams. So this is it. Over there is a lake called Lake of Dreams. So let's go over there and explore. So this is Lake of Dreams. Let's check the dream. One dream goes this side, one dream goes this side. Who don't want to see any dream can sit here. Ooh, it has a fountain. Noise. A nice place to sit down, read your books, or see your favorite movie. Let's go. So this is the society that is near this Lake of Dreams, and that uncle is working repairing bikes. So if you want to get your bike repaired, you can come here. Hey, ducky, a duck and her duckling. I don't know. Bring a kayak. We'll go there and get wet. We'll go there now. Let's move on. Ooh, some guys over here, huh? I guess he's doing something in the water. It's waterproof, so let's test its capability, huh? You spoiled my view. Come on. You did. Shortcut. Weather is quite good today. It's very windy. That chap was reading a book, came on the bike, came on his electric bike, and that chap you can see over there is reading his book. So we should not disturb him. Let him read. Boo Lake. It's a beautiful lake, and this is in case you decide to jump here, so I can just pick it up and throw at you, so you can save yourself. Yeah, you may. Your wish.
Don't spoil my view.
Hey, Smiley. Expected the view from here is not pretty much visible here, so view is still great. I remember that bench when I came here. I stopped near that bench and enjoyed the view. That day was great. Not today, because that day I was cycling. So this is Bovade. This is Bovade Drive. So you can come here. It's near Bovade and airport. So this is Lake of Dreams. Come here and live your dream. Come on, jump, 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 jump. So I'm going to try to record a time lapse here. So let's see. Where should I put the camera? I guess this location would be fine until and unless somebody comes here and pick up my camera. So this is it. A small dream of lakes, huh? I hope you like this video. So next time we'll walk other way. That side there is another lake bigger than this one. That's Professor Lake, and that's more beautiful than this. This looks good because it's kind of between the hills, so looks cool. So let's go home now. Les enfants de émission. This is the end of the video. À bientôt. See you soon.